making her first public appearance. Dee Dee will admit to being at least 80 years old, but the Dodge Ute has been lovingly restored, and just have a look at her now.
Rumbling along the street, Dee Dee turns heads everywhere she goes. The 1938 Dodge Ute has been in Julia Chu's family since new. Her father gave Dee Dee to his brother when World War II began, where she worked as a primary producer's vehicle on a citrus farm.
She carted all the citrus fruit up and down for about 7,000 miles.
And there she stayed until 2014, when Julia's cousin called and asked if she wanted her dad's ute back.
It was in pretty good nick because my cousin, he had a garage in Howard, and he covered it in grease and oil, and it was just sitting in there, but it was always undercover.
And so began Julia's labour of love. Over the past 7 years, Dee Dee has been transformed. Parts of the old Dodge remained the same. She kept her original timber tray.
She's done an amazing job of restoring it. You don't see too many around in that sort of condition, particularly in the utility.
But there's also plenty of new additions, including these distinctive rear-view mirrors.
The bottoms of mosquito coil tins, that we had little mirrors then cut to fit them.
Dee Dee's first outing with her new coat of paint will be at the Fraser Coast's Coalfest later this month. Danielle De Pinto, 7 News.
And for what it's worth, Danielle De Pinto's nickname is Dee Dee. What a coincidence. We'll take a break. In a moment, we'll have a look at what's happening around the region.